Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will be making a tutorial on how to put a stone into a wheel cart thingy. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to bend over, grab a pebble, or a rock. Looks very nice, very round, yeah. And oh shit, put it inside of the wheel cart thingy. And what you want to do is just find somewhere to put it in. But for right now, I'm just gonna do this. And you want it, and put it back. So there you go. That's how you put a stone thingy or rock inside a wheel cart thingy. Alright, bye guys.